It's Ron back here. Just another quick video here today. We cover a lot of drones, drone gear, and action cameras, and pocket camera, 360 cameras. And today, unfortunately, there's a pocket camera, and I say unfortunately because, well, I'll just show you here. This is the DJI Pocket 3. Came out, last year to a lot of fanfare, and one of its big features was this flip-up screen. Well, guess what? The flip-up screen, is broken now. And this is a problem. A lot of people had this kind of out of the box. There's nothing you can do to fix it. This should just snap into place like this. If you want to shoot landscape video and then go back like this for the TikTok style vertical video, but it won't stay in place anymore. So it is broken. It turns on, so it's hard to even turn off because if that thing goes up too far, it wants to come back on again. So I don't remember if I bought DJI Care Refresh for this or not. I could have, but the thing is, it's not even a year old yet. These old products from DJI will have that 1 year warranty on them. So of course this came out in November, and this is only early June, so it's not even close to a year yet. So I will contact DJI support today and put a ticket in, for repair or replacement of this. Again, it's it's sad, but again, it was a common problem. Hopefully they've got it worked out now. I'm supposed they'll just send me another one. I won't get the same one back. I don't know that, but that's what I suspect. So hopefully it's all worked out now. The new one will be good. Yeah. So and what I'm wondering here is, okay, when I get a unit back with a repaired screen or a new one with screen works, will I get another year warranty against that screen breaking again? Or like say my warranty runs out on, we'll say, November 15th or whatever. If this thing happens again on the 16th, will I just be out of luck if I don't have DJI Care Refresh or like for 2 years? Or will they take care of it because the problem wasn't solved really the first time around? So that'll be interesting to find out that. So not a long video here. I said this is a common problem. A lot of people have had it before. A lot of people almost had it like as soon as they got the product. So I don't know why it occurs, why mine was good for 8 months and some people had it after just a couple of days of ownership. I can tell you though, like I didn't see this going bad. Like the last time I used it, there was no indication anything was wrong with that flip screen. And today when I got out and went to use it, I mean, as soon as I flipped it, I could tell. Like soon it was locked in its position like it should have been, but as soon as I moved it, I could tell something's wrong. And no matter how you twist it, turn it, it won't lock back in. So something apparently wore out, broke in there. But again, I got no indication that it was coming. Worked. I just used it last week. It worked perfectly. Today, again, it was locked in place when I pulled it out of the case, and then all of a sudden this happened. So yeah, I mean, as much as we tout up DJI products for their build quality, reliability, they do have issues just like every other company. Now we're going to see how they handle this issue, how much I have to work through to get this repaired. I'm not expecting any hurdles whatsoever, but we will see. So I will make a follow-up video to this, as far as maybe a couple follow-up videos to the process I went to send the contact DJI to talk with their support department, what I did to send it back, and then maybe even another video when I get it back, and if it's the same unit, same camera, or did I get a new one, and how's that one work? So yeah, we'll follow this along here, but just one. It just happened today. This is June 4th, 2024. So I just wanted to jump on this right away and let everybody know that people call me a fanboy. When there is an issue with the DJI product, I'll be the first to shout it to the mountains, or shout it to the hills, whatever that old expression, shout it to the top, whatever the old expression is. So okay, hope you enjoyed the video. I mean, not much to enjoy here, but please give the thumbs up to this video if it helped you, got anything out of it, entertained you in any way. Subscribe. ring the bell so you know when I put new videos up here, and I will drop affiliate links down here for the Pocket 3. This may not be the best video to drop the affiliate link, but this has been a great camera outside this one issue. This camera's been bulletproof, takes great quality video. The 3-axis gimbal makes everything silky, smooth, stabilized, or whatever. So this is probably was my favorite DJI device of 2023. So, before this happened. So again, I still can highly recommend those. I will drop the links down below. It does help the channel out. And even if you don't want to buy anything, I will have a buy me a coffee link down below. Please consider dropping a couple dollars into the in the coffee fund there. It does help the channel. I'm just kind of a small content creator. I don't have hundreds of thousands of dollars. If I had my AdSense money I make a month is peanuts. So just keep me in mind. So with that being said, again, make sure you do subscribe because you will want to see the follow-up video to this. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.